In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Webflow CMS items unpublishing themselves. Open the Webflow website, then hover over your project and click Open in Webflow. Once you are on the dashboard, click the site you are working in. This opens the designer. In the top left corner, click the CMS tab. Now click the collection that contains the missing items or the items that keep reverting. The items table will open, and on the right side, you will see the status column. First, we are going to publish an item's stage changes. Click any item in the list to open its editor. Find the summary field and click into it. Add a word or two to the summary. Say the words naturally as you type them so the edit is clear on screen. After you make the change, wait about 2 seconds. Webflow autosaves, and at the top of the editor, the status changes to changes in draft. Now move to the top right of the item editor and click Publish Now. If a confirmation prompt appears, confirm it. After that, watch the status indicator. It changes to Published and the green checkmark appears. That means the edited item is now live. Click the back button beside the item name to close the editor and return to the collection list. Next, we will bulk publish all staged items in the collection. To demonstrate this, click one item in the list and open it. In the summary field, make a brief edit. Add a short word or a short phrase, then close the editor. Back in the table, the item status changes to staged changes. Repeat that process on one or two more items. Open a next item, edit the summary briefly, then close it. Open one more item, make another short summary change, then close it. When you return to the list, you should see several rows marked Staged Changes. Now click Select in the top bar of the Items table. To select everything visible, click the checkbox in the header row next to Name. If you only want specific items, tick those individual rows instead. Once the items are selected, click Update Items in the top bar. A menu opens. Choose Publish Now from that menu. Confirm the bulk Publish prompt. After Webflow finishes the action, all selected items switch to Published. Now we will use the Unpublish and Republish method for an item that shows Published but still does not appear live. Click the affected item to open its editor. In the top right of the editor, find the small chevron arrow next to Publish Now, and click it to open the Publish Options menu. In that menu, click Unpublish. Confirm the prompt. The item status flips to draft, and the item is removed from the live site. Without leaving the item editor, go back to the top right and click Publish Now. Confirm the prompt again. The status returns to Published. Once that is done, close the item editor. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If the item level fixes do not stick, the next step is to republish the entire site and then verify the result in an incognito window. Go back to the Design tab. In the top right corner of the designer, click the Publish button. In the Publish dialog, check the box next to your site domain, spoken as your site.webflow.io. Then click Publish to selected domains. Wait for the green Publish confirmation message. This usually takes 10 to 20 seconds. After the site publish completes, verify the result using the staging link. Find the arrow beside the staging URL, spoken as website.io. Right-click that arrow. From the menu, click Open Link in Incognito window. This bypasses browser cache. In the Incognito window, open the collection page where the items are displayed, then confirm that the items appear correctly on that page. At this point, the CMS items that were unpublishing themselves are now live again on your webflow.io site. In the CMS panel, every item in the collection shows published. In the incognito window, the collection page displays the same items you see in the designer, confirming that the live site and the CMS are back in sync.